did not know what hydrotherapy was. So this is like the best part.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tayani Ilios, and if you don't like it, peace. And we are live from Mexico. Y'all, so I went on a family trip to Mexico. It was like a last minute trip. It's like 25 of us because my family rolling deep, okay? Like our last trip to Jamaica had like 100 people, no cap. Our flight was at about 6:30 this morning, so I had to leave for the airport around like 3:30, 4ish. I didn't even get any sleep because I've been binge watching Suits. I'm so addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Right now, our home is so beautiful. I have to show y'all what it looks like. We have a swim up. We're at an all-inclusive resort. We have a swim up pool in the back of our home. It's just so beautiful, and I have to show y'all it. This is so nice, y'all. I love it. This is my cousin's room. This is like the best part. I don't even have to go down to the pool. It's one right at our house. We about to have a party. I think everyone is tired, so right now everyone is chilling. Let me show y'all. This is my cousin. That's my mama.
Courses, there's a lobster. Here is include, here is extra charge.
I have dinner later tonight at 7, so I will get back to you when it's dinner time. Everyone wants lobster, so I'm gonna order like 10 lobsters because it's all you can eat. I feel like pizza is always good. Let's get some pizza. Got our money. Everybody in each room gets $50 and a free spa. Well, I could have chose between ATVs and a spa, but me and my boyfriend going to DR in 2 weeks, and we're gonna do ATVs. So I'm gonna take this spa, okay? Y'all, I'm fighting for my life right now. Look at this. Like, what is that?
We're on our way to Ilios, so we're going off the resort. It's about 40 minutes away, so wish us luck.
Y'all, this is so beautiful. This is like on the water. Back on the bus we go. Hey, mommy. Oh. Y'all, I woke up with my stomach hurting, and it was just, my stomach was so queasy. Tip in Mexico, do not eat salad if you go off the resort because they wash it in the water. And I think that's what made me feel a little, I don't know. I was going through it all night, but I feel a lot better now. Also, make sure your bottle of water also make sure your water is in bottled water or it's purified, or only drink it on the resort because usually the resort is for tourists, so they'll purify it. But lesson learned. But I feel good now, so we're gonna turn up. Spa time! Got a complimentary free spa, so I'm about to meet my family. I'm a little late because I wasn't feeling well, so I didn't go to breakfast. But I know they waiting on me. This is beautiful. What I loved about my lady is she was trying to keep the edges laid, okay? She was making sure. She deserves a tip, so we want to tip her. Words cannot even explain how beautiful this is. Like, oh my gosh. Rooftop pool. I just took a long nap. My spa was great, top tier. Hold on, let me give y'all a rundown of this spa day though. I did not know what hydrotherapy was. So they put me in this hot sauna. I'm gonna link pictures and everything and videos as much as I can. They put me in this hot sauna that was like 100 degrees. Then they put you in a ice bath, y'all. Like, I have the video and everything. They put me in an ice bath, freezing cold. I couldn't even last in there for a long time. Then they put me in a freezer. I was in there for like 30 seconds, not gonna hold you. But overall, it was nice. Highly recommend, but it shocked me and it stressed me out. But it was really nice. I would recommend anyone to do it at least once. Now I'm about to go to dinner. I low-key been asleep while they was having a pool party at our swim up because your girl just haven't been feeling good. We are on mission, find Ty dress, because it is my Uncle Drew's birthday. Well, he's really my cousin, but I call him my Uncle Drew. If you know, you know. I have to find me a white outfit because we're having an all-white party later today. So hopefully I find one. Got a few things, I'll try to Okay, I really like this. It's just everything is so see-through, so I really am gonna need to get like shorts and a top so I can wear this stuff. Okay, this is a little less see-through, but still see-through though. I feel like I could probably wear a bra. I don't know. I like this, but once again, it's just really see-through and I would need a top. I feel like the other one is the least see-through of them all. So we might have to go with the other one. This one is $69, but I got $14. They're decorating our room.
We love it.
Is this on this side too?
Happy birthday! I'm back again. It's like we're about to go to breakfast. Other people are going paddle boarding. I'm gonna go tomorrow because there were only, I guess, all the stops were filled. I guess today's just gonna be a chill day. I really don't want to do too much because we've been doing stuff every single day, but it's been lit. I love it, but you know, your girl trying to chill. Yeah, and I'm not sick anymore, so I'm about to live it up. Oh my gosh, I cannot.
Huh? He's shedding.
That's cute and all, but I cannot. You too big.
Yeah, he's too big.
Who would? Beach vibes. He said for the next 2 days we're gonna practice our Spanish. He said my Spanish was really good. Hello, he know my best friend speaks Espanol. Okay. And also I worked at Chipotle for a lot of years where I spoke to the lady in Spanish. But I always tell people I only know a little bit of Spanish, but I know a good amount.
Like your smile.
We're about to take a boat back to our room. I'm so excited. Time to paddleboard.
Stand up. Ready? There you go.
Thank you so much. And now, like 5 minutes more than chef is from here. Yeah.
I mean, he's ready for a picture.
Today is our last day. It's about like 10 o'clock. We're about to eat. We leave the resort around 12. I'm so sad. But I got me dragon fruit, y'all. I found that I'm obsessed with dragon fruit. If you haven't tried it, try it. Also, this thing, I forgot what it's called, but it's like weird, but it's good. It's like a grape. Fun fact, if you have American Express Platinum, there is an international business lounge that you can go to. It gives you free drinks, free food, free service, all that.
Never forget a moment, huh?
Nope. This is my plate. I'm excited. Okay, that food was really good. This is my first time ever in International Business Lounge, and I feel like I need an Amex Platinum card because I love it. They have a sleeping pod, y'all. That is crazy. I'm back home, but look at my lips. They look so dark. Like, I didn't realize your lips get tan too. I love my lips. Oh my God, I hope they go away. But anyway, yeah, I'm back home, back to reality for at least a few more weeks until I go on vacation again. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn.